What if I told you 360 lives are stuck in legal limbo right now in Lagos? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover why Nigeria's Court of Appeal just launched a massive special operation and what it reveals about a justice system under immense pressure. Meet Justice Monica Dongbin Mensum, president of Nigeria's Court of Appeal. For years, she's watched the backlog grow. But here's the twist. This isn't just about paperwork. It's about real people waiting for justice in Africa's biggest commercial hub. And now she's taking drastic action. On a special sitting in Lagos, Justice Dongbin Mensum dropped a bombshell. 360 appeals, all listed for hearing in 1 week. This is a strategic military-style operation against the backlog. But here's what nobody's talking about: the sheer scale of the logistical nightmare. To pull this off, the court had to deploy 48 justices. That's right, 48. They formed 16 separate panels, all working simultaneously. And here's the part that will blow your mind. They had to borrow courtrooms from the National Industrial Court just to have enough space. The Lagos Division is Nigeria's commercial nerve center. Every business dispute, every corporate appeal ends up here. The volume is crushing. Justice Dongbin Mensum called it a heavy appellate burden that made proactive intervention inevitable. But this special session is also a celebration. It marks the Court of Appeal's 50th anniversary, held in Lagos where it was first established. Yet this is no party. The Justice President was blunt. This is not a vacation. She revealed that many other court divisions across Nigeria are now running skeleton crews because their justices have been deployed to Lagos for this blitz. And then, she shared something shocking from a past attempt. It was very painful for me, she said, because our limited resources had been spent on air tickets, accommodation, and logistics, yet we could not take most of the appeals because many counsel were not prepared. Can you imagine? Flying judges across the country, booking hotels, only for lawyers to show up unprepared. That failure haunts this new effort. Now there's a stern warning to every lawyer involved in these 360 cases: be ready or get out of the way. The stakes are monumental. For the litigants, this week could mean freedom, financial ruin, or vindication. The court has declared every single one of these appeals ripe for hearing. No more delays, no more excuses. But here's the controversial part. Some will call this a heroic effort to clear the decks. Others will see it as a desperate, rushed fix that could compromise the quality of justice. Can 16 panels truly give 360 complex appeals the individual attention they deserve in just 1 week? The tension is palpable. Justice Dongbin Mensum is betting the court's reputation on this gamble. She's urging strict adherence to the rules, hoping to avoid another painful waste of resources. The implications ripple far beyond Lagos. If this works, it could be a model for other overwhelmed courts across Africa. If it fails, it's a very public and expensive disaster. The unanswered question hangs in the air: is this the future of justice high-speed, industrial-scale hearings? Or is it a sign of a system buckling under its own weight? Do you think justice can be delivered at this speed? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news on justice systems under pressure.